Kwabia Asante Kotoko achieve a feat. A feat, you know what it means? They say Tembia Kotoko be achieve that feat. Kumasi Asante Kotoko, the Ghana Premier League. Now, and now opening game day versus Karela, nere Riguno. Kotoko eko wini by a goal to name against Karela. Karela is a northern region based football club. Inti the last time I Kotoko a call away Ekunya victory in an opening day fixture no. Asante Kotoko went ahead to win the league. A year bang kwan bang na fa so see details ni nyina wa ha ye de bro na enra goalkeeper Kamara ye mbona baso ono na winning the man of the match Peter Amidu Akwa ono ene ye assist no for Albert Amoa eto atena ema Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Kumasi Asante Kotoko players ni nyina ebobo yembo opia baso inti menu ene Michael Chijamena Kotoko supporters ni bi raise concern say Tenedu ene ayiti achire yemfa omo mebu bi den but yenya abotere Michael Chijamena edra ma hu ne sa but inti menu I think say obobo pa intisa obo ni yenya results I think say ni kwan say ye call for bibia gidigidi sa inti menu bo but in the course of the game no me de be hu ni say Tinedu nso betimi a start inti coach no ontoto ne nyoma na omma Tinedu enso en start but inti menu bobo pa boni beka say unsung hero to da bia uni technical eye na unhunu adwuma odi ema coach no wo pitch no so yembo obi aba so na a smart bobo pa Kumasi Asante Kotoko left back a smart bobo papa inti menu no screen no so no now a recorder Kumasi Asante Kotoko ye bia na odi league no the last time Kotoko ye she league ase match day 1 utu kwan eko tamale eko wene ye den odi league no in 2003 no Kumasi Asante Kotoko Ghana Premier League ne chase no then the first game was against RTU Esirim Siri Jata when the Kaladampa Kotoko eko wene na Kotoko win is our game no that season you know 2023-2024 no Krobia eje the Ghana Premier League Bobekaya inti sa fit no na Kotoko asa achieve this particular season 2024 to 2025 so Kotoko almost after 21 years no BBC BC for Kotoko to win the league BBI clear with the squad and history and BBI clear